Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to synchronize contacts on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Okay, synchronizing contacts with a cloud service like Google ensures that your contacts are backup. If your device is lost, stolen or damaged, you can easily recover your contacts by signing into your account on a new device. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, access the Contacts application on your device. Okay, once you have opened the Contact app, navigate to the Settings menu by locating and tapping on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Okay, within the Settings menu, you will find various options for managing your contacts. Okay, and look for the option Synchronize Contacts to Infinix Cloud. This feature enables you to securely store and synchronize your contacts with your Infinix Cloud account, ensuring that your contacts are always backed up and accessible across multiple devices. So, before proceeding, ensure that you have an active Infinix Cloud account. Okay, next, activate the toggle switch next to the contact option to enable contact synchronization. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection to facilitate the synchronized process. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to synchronize contacts on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.